Respected to all lecturers, sir and madam, and also presented all students. Now, today camp organized to the GK College. I am also student of the GK College. I have to tell myself introduction. My name is Shita Santosh Matre, and now this time topic is that how to face the struggle. So according to me, friends, the struggle is the most important for the everybody. Means now this time we are learning. So having live life, at that time the many more disaster and situation can happen in our life suddenly. So you cannot fear at that time. We can face the situation. Now this time we are learning and learning the education, and in the education many more disaster can happen automatically. So at that time we can help to our teachers, to our parents, our friends. Because of that, whenever you will take the support our senior, our teachers, at that time you will understand the very better. And at that time you can take the support with our senior, then definitely we can face our all situation. And at that time we can achieve our target on a high time. So it is my point of view.
Yes, I am totally agree with you. Firstly, introducing myself. My name is Daikisa. I am living this village, Gurega. Firstly, good evening to good afternoon to all of my students and respected sir and respected Zundade sir. Uh, this program is organized by GK College, and now we are discussing about struggle. So, having your life, any person is struggle. You are also student, and you are very struggle in this camp. Not only your camp, totally education, and you will definitely do this work with the help of struggle, and you will the perfect person to the struggle, and by the struggle you will be create our history. And suppose now this time we are discussing because in our past very struggle, and with the help of struggle you will the best person in our life. So what will you say about this?
So, respected generator sir and lecturers and my dear friends. So, hello everyone, this is Disha Klane, and today we are talking about in front of you the camp, the this camp joined by GK sir. This camp organized by GK College. So, today's our question is why means how to face us, how we having new life, how we face struggle. So struggle is so precious and imprecious also ourselves as having a new life. Due to the struggle, we get a lot of knowledge also, and we get the experience also having. And we get the experience also ourselves on any stage. And due to this struggle, we have to means due to this struggle we have to know about the all things. If we have struggle in our life a lot, so ahead of means ahead of in our life we get success properly. And due to this struggle we get a lot of things also ourselves. This is for beneficial also. Due to the struggle means having video life, so in front of us means we take having video life, we take education. So at that time the lot of bad condition in front of us, so we face means we handle this situation. And we handle this situation, and means suddenly we get our success. So what can you say about that?
I am totally appreciative teacher. You know that friends, now this time we are doing the preparation about the MPSC or UPSC. In this field, many more situations will happen. So at that time, you don't fear that. Because of that, the any situation will happen the automatically. So you don't fear and face this situation. As long as you will not face this situation, then you cannot do in our life something. According to me, you have to make your career, you have to get something in your life. So at that time the guidance is also most important. Because of that, if you will take the guidance support to our teachers, your parents, at that time you can make and succeed in our life. And at that time also the good direction is also most important. And according to me, coins has two sides. First is bad and second is good. So it is totally depend upon us that how can use this field, and that at that time we should be use the good way and a proper way, because it is totally depend upon us how to get the success in our future. And you know that friends, if you will take the education at that time, you can face to all situation. Lots of students are doing the preparation about the any field, but at that time you know that the education is the most important. Because of that, many more students are doing the job, only job for the money. But according to me, you can take the education for our career. So it is my opinion. So what can you say?
Yes, I am totally agree with you. The example of struggle is the MPSC field, because in MPSC field very struggle are important, and this field is very beneficial for us. Not only beneficial, but also our respect or our reputation is very highest reputation by the MPSC. And you have a knowledge of any other language. That time you know you you are the best student of MPSC class. I think I think the struggle is called MPSC field, because this field is this field name is this field name is struggle field, because this field is very develop our career and develop our communication skill. Not only our skills, but also our language is clear. As like you have a English language, that's why you will improve our image, or create our self respect according to
Each
this
and
what
every
we
field
say.
of struggle is so important ourselves, because from that we get knowledge also, and around that a lot of knowledge also. And now this time we are speaking English in front of you. This is also struggle according to me, because behind us also the lot of practice, means we are doing a lot of practice ourselves, and at that time we try to being a success in our life for this.
And
The
struggle is that what it is applied to any field.
Yeah.
Without the
Yeah.
struggle,
Struggle
you
is
cannot do it.
The life is meaning of the struggle. And you know, APJ Abdul Kalam said, you have a happiness, you are doing struggle, one day you will be successful person.
Yeah, means that many more leaders successful in their life. And you know that Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar also has written to more books. So we should be learn that book. Because of that, whenever we are learning that book, at that time you can take to more knowledge. And if you will take to more knowledge with the help of their books, then definitely we can understand better how can understand better in our lives. So it is the point of view.
Yeah.
And
The struggle learn life large lesson ourselves. No, only not we get education. Only we not learn more and more. We, due to this struggle, means having we live life on any stage, we get on any means we get on any things experience ourselves. This experience is so important
Any
also
suc-
ourselves.
I think any successful person behind
Behind us
their
a lot of-
past, any painful story and
Yeah,
their
of
struggle,
course.
because
We have been a lot of
Yes.
people. These people is not those people are not only success in our life, totally not, because they behind us a lot of hard work. Before he doing a lot of hard work and smart work, after that we have been seeing of this means of these people.